Okay guys, here's the screencast for Monday the 21st in creative writing. We started class today. We're in Portfolio 2. We started class today with a journal prompt, which you can find in here. It is entitled Disheveled Man. It's a familiar picture that we looked at once before, but I had you guys jump into the mindset of a character and create a journal response regarding the disheveled man there. After that, we actually did a little bit more writing. If you scroll down here, you guys should have been taking care of the characterization and then the character scenarios over the weekend. But what we did next was we actually did this first and third person activity, which is not showing up just yet. That's why I'm a little confused. The first and third person activity is called the point of view exercise. And so if you log into this, what you're going to find is there's a total of 10 different prompt options. Down beneath there's another, it's just the same information copied again, but 10 different prompt options. Remember that you can be any character in any of these scenarios. You could be the man who finds $1,000 here. You could be the man next to the man who finds $1,000. You could be the bus driver who's watching the man find $1,000, so on and so forth. But you pick one of these 10 scenarios, and then the goal was you write a half page, 3/4 of a page in a first person point of view. We started class with that. You're going to then flip it into a third person point of view, and that's where this all takes place on this document right here. You just write your first person story here, and then today in class we're actually going to flip it, or tomorrow in class we're actually going to flip it into a third person point of view story as we learn about third person. After we did that, we read Hills Like White Elephants. We talked about that. That's a third person objective story. And the goal is that we then have material to kind of discuss tomorrow in class what it looks like to write third person as opposed to first person. So sorry you couldn't join us. Have a great day.